welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have a 7-layer Greek dip for you guys. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So this is another super simple but super delicious recipe that I have for you guys. Very minimal prep, that's what's going to take the longest time. But there's going to be 7 different layers here. So we're going to be having our cream cheese layer, our hummus layer, all of our toppings as a layer, our pita chips. It's going to be so good. The longest part, like I said, is just prepping everything, which doesn't take long at all. And if you want to be lazy, you can always just buy this stuff already prepped. I have our hummus here. You can always buy that prepped already at the store, pre-made. This is the original hummus that I made right here on my channel. I can link the video right up here. And these are the pita chips that I made. I can have them right up here too if you guys would check that out, or you can just buy them already store-bought. Save yourself some time, but totally up to you guys. The first thing that we're going to do is start with our first layer. So our first layer is going to have our cream cheese, our lemon juice, our garlic, and our Italian seasoning. The second layer is just going to be that hummus, and then all of the other layers are going to be all of the other toppings and our pita chips and all that good stuff. So you can add whatever it is that you'd like or remove whatever it is you don't like to this recipe. It's totally up to you guys, but this is so good if you're having a party, a nice little appetizer. You can have your chips on the side, dipped in there, whatever you guys want. Super fun, but without further ado, I'm going to grab my apron and we're going to get started. Alright, so we have our aprons on, our hand mixer, our bowl. So I'm just going to start adding in our ingredients. We have our garlic, we have our Italian seasoning, our lemon juice, and then just our cream cheese. Now, this cream cheese is always a pain in my butt, but I've left this sitting out for a little while now, so it should be softened. That's what you're going to want to do. So there's 2 8-ounces in a pack when you buy them like this, so just going to take one of these. It's always a pain in the butt to try and open this. See how quickly I can do it today. 5 hours later. Okay, wasn't too bad today. Getting the hang of this. So we're just gonna plop that right in. That's it. Alright, so all we're gonna do is just beat this with our little hand mixer just until everything is well combined and nice and light and fluffy. Okay, so you guys should have something that looks like this. Everything's nice and combined. So now all we're gonna do, like I said, this is super simple. So you're just going to grab, I'm going to use a pie dish just because I wanted to use something that was clear and you can see all the layers. And something that I'm not going to be using for Memorial Day weekend. I'm just going to take a big old spatula and we're just going to start forming our layers. So this is going to be the first layer. Plop this on down. Okay, just make sure this is all evenly distributed. This already smells so good. Alright, so you should have a layer that looks like this. And now our next layer is going to be our hummus. Now, like I said, this is the original recipe that I have, but you guys are more than welcome to use a store-bought. You can use any different flavors that you want. Like I have the roasted red pepper one. They have all different kinds that you can use. Totally up to you and whatever is going to go with the different toppings that you guys choose. So I'm just going to spread this around next. Alright, so next comes all of our other toppings. So I'm not going to make necessarily layers with this. I'm just going to kind of mix them all around just to make sure, you know, we're getting enough of everything in every bite. Okay. Then our tomato. Okay, and then for our olives, we're just going to want to take them and just kind of chop them up a little bit and drizzle them on top as well. Alright, then we have our feta just to drizzle on top. And then we just have our pita chips. Now you can assemble them around here. You can put them in a different dish. That's probably what I would do just so they don't get soggy. But check this out, you guys. Look at all those different layers. So we're just going to put this in the fridge and let that sit and set for about 2 hours but you can do this overnight. You can do whatever it is you want. You just want to, excuse me, give it at least 2 hours to just set, and then we're going to come back and try some. Okay, you guys, so we're all cooled and we're ready to try some. I'm so excited. Okay, let's take a nice sturdy chip. Make sure you get all the layers. Get down in there. Cool. So good, you guys. Hint, hint, I'm making this for Memorial Day tomorrow. This is so good. I cannot wait for everybody to try this. I wish you guys can just taste it right now. Oh my god, so good. I've never had any dip like this before. It just reminds me of home. I have all my different Mediterranean goodies in here. We have our protein in here. We have veggies. So good. Can't wait for you guys to try this one at home. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.